Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel guys. Today is super hot sa UK kasi nga heat wave guys. As in, today is Friday and wait lang, check ko yung okay, today is Friday. The whole week since Tuesday, even Monday medyo mainit na din. So, every day umaalis ako, nagpupunta ako ng shop. Anyway, yun naman talaga yung ginagawa ko, 'di ba? Nagpo-film ako, window shopping, ganon. And at the same time, hindi ko na feel yung hot masyado kasi nga nasa shops ako from morning until 2 or 1. Pero today, nandito ako sa bahay, nagsistay ako. Ang init. Kasi pag nandito na kasi ako mga 2 or 1, nag-on ako ng air cooler na may nalaglagyan ng ice. So, yon. So, anyway, quick haul lang tayo sa kabila akong channel. And then, I'm thinking, pupunta ka ako ng shops mamaya para magpalamig. Pero isasama ko si Alex kasi kukunin ko siya 1 p.m., 15 past 1. So, yan. Supposedly, pupunta ako ng shops bago ko siya kukunin. Pero isasama ko na lang siya kasi siya yung mamimili ng kanyang ice cream. So, yan. Bumibili ako ng ice cream this time kasi sobrang init talaga guys. Kahit ako nag-ice cream. So, ice cream, lulis, ganon. So, anyway, wait. Okay, mag-haul tayo. Kasi nga, to be honest, I'm very, very sad. Kasi ang dami kong napamili guys. As in, eto sa Zara. Ang dami kong binili sa Zara. Mga almost 100 plus. Wait, ganun ko nga kayo. 100 plus dahil ang dami nilang sale guys. I went sa Zara mga 10 to 15 minutes lang. Pero ang dami ko na kaagad nakita na gusto ko. Kaya sabi ko, oh my God, it's so much. Maybe I should just, go home. I mean, umalis ako sa shop kasi nga ang daming sale nila, ang dami-daming mura. Ma-encourage ka kasi. It's like June normally talaga nagsisell sila, which is I know naman na June nagsisell sila kasi nga nagpi-film ako doon. Kaso nga lang ang daming magaganda guys. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And the price is 40%. Later on nagsisell pa sila. So fingers crossed na wala akong wala akong mabili. Kasi nga tayo guys, super poor na tayo. And then also sa Tiki Maxx. So, yan yung problema ko ngayon. Daming sale nila. JD Sports, ang daming shoes na gusto ko. Hindi ko binibili kasi nga ang dami ko pang, meron pa ako dito mga shoes na hindi ko nagagamit, mga sandals. So, I was able to control. River Island, H&M, basta guys, dito sa UK, ang dami talagang sale. Kaya kung gusto nyong bumili dito, mag-email kayo. Mag-email kayo sa akin. Pwede ko kayong bilhan. May nag-ask nga sa akin last time, magpapabili siya. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya from Philippines, from somewhere hindi sa Philippines, which is I'm more comfortable sa Philippines kaysa sa ibang lahi, 'di ba? So anyway, mag-haul tayo kasi sobrang init. Okay guys, wait lang. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today is so hot guys in UK, but I want to do this shopping haul. It's because I want to wear it already. So I went to Zara yesterday and there's so much sale, 40% off, and then they have really nice items. So I spent nearly 100 pounds for this, and this is already on sale. And also Tiki Maxx, they have nice items. So I purchased also guys. I told you I'm going to, of course, Primark as always. I told you I'm going to spend less now, but the sale, there's many sale also in H&M, River Island, M&S, they have a little, in no, there's no sale in next, GD Sport, there's so many guys, so check it out. So let's start now with our Zara. So this first item, I've been looking for actually really white. I have cream blazer and I'm looking for white, and I saw this, and then I'm searching for small. Unfortunately they don't have small. This is medium, so I said okay, I'll just grab it and check online if they have this short size online, but they don't have also online this one. And what I'm gonna do is, today is Friday, so hot, but I'm going to go back on Monday, and hopefully they have small, so I will not wear it yet. I will check if they have white. I mean, they have the same like this but small, and if they have small, I will return it and buy it. And but if they don't have, I will just keep it. Look, I don't know, it's medium and I'm small, but maybe it's okay. Comment down below, guys, if I should keep it or just really wait for next time. Look like this. Wait, look like this. And but it's medium. 50-50 actually, that if I can, 50-50 if I'll keep it if I cannot find small, because look at the back. What do you think? It's like really big for me, huh? Maybe it's actually big. Comment down below, guys. I think it's a bit much. Okay, so I need your comment if I should keep it or not. I hope they have small. Okay, but just I really like it. And the price, by the way, is original price is £56 and 40% off. Let me check the receipt. So that would be okay, so that would be 33.59. And then I also purchased this trench coat. To be honest, I just grabbed it because you know why I'm grabbing it, even if I'm not super sure. This one, because the length, it's a bit long for me. It's like really long, but I just grab it, guys, because sometimes during sale, if you don't grab it, the next day you go back there, it's not there, and you don't have, you know, it sells, so doesn't last long. So just because of the length, I like the color, I like everything, just the length. Okay. And the price of this is 70 pound and 40% off, so I paid 42 pound. Actually, they have many nice dresses. I just control myself because I need to check it first before I purchase more. I just wanted to just film, but there's so much people, that's why I also filmed so few, because there's really, oh, what is it? This is small. This is, oh my god, actually it's so big. It's so big to me. Oh, I feel like no. This is already small, it's long. It's like during winter. I will wear boots and it's already, look. Okay, unfortunately I have to return because it's big. Because you know why? I didn't try it on. I just saw it near to the hell. So I said, okay, this is so nice and like that, let me buy it. Anyway, okay, so I'll return it because it's big. But this one, I really like this. So this is linen with cotton and rayon, like that. 30 pound, 40% off. I paid 17 or 18. I paid 18 pound. So this one is okay, because look at that. I have actually many linen. Wait, yeah, it's actually okay. I have many linen trouser here, but I don't know guys why I bought it. I have so many linen. Maybe because of the color, because the linen that I have here, they are color brown, but this one, it's almost the same. Oh my god. So just tempted, or maybe because you know when it's like sale, people are so happy, you know how much they are grabbing, so oh my, you're tempted to grab also for yourself. Okay, so I need to return that one and that blazer set for another one. So just the three, and then we paid 93. What is this? Wait. 93.67, 41, 70, 80, 90. Okay. So 93.67. Alright. Let's go to TK Maxx. Oh, by the way, this is from Morrison's. I bought it for my son. To be honest, my son got so many lovely gifts for his birthday. But when I saw it, I don't know what happened to me. I bought it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is it good I bought it or not? His costume for Halloween will be Ghostbuster. So I'm thinking this one is good addition for it. So this is £7 in Morrison. And yeah, oh, before TK Maxx, I saw this also from Home Bargains. This one. This is only £5, 16.99 or £6. And I didn't actually open it, but they said Magnetic Darts Championship. I hope I can put, okay. Also that one only, look, it's empty. And then let's see. Okay, they said magnetic. Okay, so just that one, not so big actually. I expect a bit bigger, like that. And then in the side is like this. Okay, pretty good, right? And this is magnetic. Okay, I give it as a gift actually. So it's not for my son, because my son have something already, remember, in Home Bargains. No, in B&M I purchased for him £8 and he loves it. So this is for somebody else as a gift, but I'm thinking I should use my son's gift because he doesn't you know, like, he have so much toys already. And TK Maxx now, final. So this, where's the receipt of this? Oh my god, okay, the receipt is here. I always keep the receipt because if something I don't like or some damage like that, at least I can return it. So for the belt, why it says handbags here? Okay, for the belt, this is Ralph Lauren, and this is £24 small. They also have extra small. So I checked it actually online before, made in Vietnam. So I actually checked it online, and the belt that I saw is not like this. It's like reversible, something like that. So like that for £24, guys. Do you think it's good? To be honest, I'm 50-50 to buy this. It's because I have belt here, and at the same time I don't wear black belt that much. So I'm 50-50, because if they have other color like white, cream, like gold, like that, it will be very good. But it's sell. That's the reason. They said £74 original price, and now 24. So it's sell. My problem is the word sell, reduction, reduce, red tag, yellow tag, like that. That's my weakness. And a dress, which is, you can see it's sell also. So original price is like 30 or 40, and then £14. So this one is, I didn't try it there, so hopefully it will look good when I try it. Yeah, I think that's all good. I'm just 5 feet, that's why sometimes it's really hard to find clothes for me or dresses for me. Yeah, so that one. And then in Primark, so I'm checking now. Actually, I feel like I purchased something in Primark, but I cannot remember where I put it, because sometimes I hide it. Because one person is complaining already I'm shopping so much. So this is sell $4.50 and then £2. So why not? So cute this one. Yeah. And £2. And then next is this is $4.50 and now £2 also. It's so cute, also, right? And then like that. It's so cute. Just because it's so cute, I like to write. Next is this waffle shower cup. I put something in my hair now, which is I don't do it before because I don't know, but now I'm starting to take care of my hair because I feel like it's a bit dry now. So I put shea butter and I will cover it so I can still use my bed. This is $2.50 only. They have different colors and many choices, guys, in Primark. Next is this is 7 to 8 years old t-shirt. I bought it. It's because 7 to 8 and normally my sons, they need to wear this for VA day like that. And it's also cotton and just £130 and 100% cotton. So my son doesn't want to wear if it's not 100% cotton, which is he removed everything in his closet that is not 100% cotton. Next is this trouser, jogger, how you call it? Jumper, jogger, trouser, which is only £14, guys, and it's good for 5 feet. And it looks comfy. So yeah, it just look good, you know. So this is £14 from Primark, of course. And oh, this one, it looks comfy, that's why I purchased it. This is skirt, £12. I got £10, £12. It's skirt. They have black, brown. So yeah, look, so comfy. And next is hair wrap. I don't know, I just decided to purchase it. Yeah. And last is £1, which is sell also. So yeah, that is the whole, guys. I hope you enjoy. It's so hot, but what we can do. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy, and please do comment, should I keep the trench coat or the blazer if I cannot, the blazer if I cannot find small. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Oh, yan, guys, yeah. So anyway, ano namang gagawin ko? So yun na lang yung gagawin ko, guys, is init kasi. Ang gagawin kong, check nga ng belt. Comment kayo, guys, if I should keep it. Kasi 50-50 talaga ako. Kasi £24. Tapos, hindi naman ako masyadong nagbe-belt ng black. Ang gusto kong belt is cream, gold. Yan. Pwede naman, pero pwede siya sa dresses actually. Yan. Wait nga lang. Check natin. Maganda ba? Yeah, the advantage lang sa kanya is, you know, like yung kanyang excess is nasa inner. So, pwede siya sa mga ganito dresses. Pwede din sa, pwede din kung, dapat pala pinakita ko to kanina sa haul. Pwede din siya kung ako magta-trouser, which I will try later. Yan, pwede din siya. So, pwede siya sa dress or pwede siya sa trouser. Yeah, comment kayo. Kasi £24, sayang din. So, maglilinis na ako ng bahay. Kukunin ko si Alex. Ito naman, kanina ko ba ito ibibigay? Oh, I don't know. Alam nyo, guys, bili ng mga toys na hindi naman kailangan ni Alex. And also, sa bahay na to, guys, si John is minimalist. Si Alex is minimalist. And ako yung hoarder. Ako yung bili ng bili. So, si John, hindi nga siya nagsishopping. Rarely lang. Rarely. Ako lang nga yung bumibili ng kanyang shoes. Oh, ito pala shoes. Nakalimutan ko. haul. Ito, akong bumili sa kanya ng shoes, safety shoes ito. Kasi hindi yan bumibili. Tamad bumili ng mga gamit. Yung mga ano niya, shoes niya, shoes, clothes, ako yung bumibili. Sa kanya nakalimutan ko pala to. Si Alex din, of course, ako naman talaga. Pero gusto ni Alex ng konti lang damit daw. Ayaw niya ng madaming damit. So, let's do that. I'm buying less na actually. Pero kailangan ko lang more push yung self ko na more, less. Kasi nga, pamahal na ng pamahal. Ang bayarin, ang dami ng bayarin na din. So, yeah. Okay, that's the update lang ngayon guys. And yeah, I will try to do more videos soon. Maybe actually, meron akong isang channel na pang gardening. So, pwede nyo panoorin yun. Pero ang garden ko is super messy. Kasi nga, nasa labas ako all the time. Tapos pagdating ko dito sa bahay, mga 30 minutes lang ako nasa garden. Or no, actually not 30 minutes. Mga 10 minutes lang ako everyday sa garden. So, hindi ko talaga malilinisan. Si Alex yung nandun sa garden all the time. So, ang dami niyang toys doon. But, I will try tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, na maglinis ng garden. But, Saturday, Sunday kasi, pag nandito si John, gusto niya din yung may time kami. So, you know, it's like, I'm busy person. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Bye!